Well, hello, welcome back to FloorWhiskey. I'm your host, Brian, and today we're going to talk about a new whiskey from Jim Beam. Well, it's a new old whiskey. The old one was Old Crow. That's your white label bottom shelfer you find on the, pretty much most liquor stores. A lot of well liquor at a bar, right? You'll see it uses sometimes in some of their well liquor will be Old Crow. They'll have the big handles, but in this case, this is the new Crow. It's an 86 proof Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey. What's interesting, it says it's a product of Frankfurt and Claremont. And it is aged for 3 years. So it's cheap. On a recent trip to Kentucky, found this. Also, when I went to Jim Beam last time, it was on the shelf there. So I know it's starting to get out. So let's give it a taste and see what we think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think of this? Have you had it? Is this something that you're thinking it's going to be one of your top shelfers, or is it going to be a FloorWhiskey box, right? Okay. Let's pour a little bit here. Let that sit for a second. Strangely, it coats the glass quite well. It's really citrusy. Get a lot of citrus smell. However, you get a little bit of. It's almost like a citrus Windex almost. So you get some ethanol on there. We'll let this guy sit a minute. Yeah, you just get a lot of. It's kind of a little orange, a little lemon. I'm not getting like the nutty that you get in a lot of Jim Beam products. I'm not getting that nut. Let's see what it is on the palate though. Well, at least on the nose. Super light. I mean, it's really water. It kind of tastes watered down. I mean, it's 86 proof. It's not going to blow your socks off. If you like the citrus stuff, it might be good in a cocktail. It might be good as a mixer. See if I pick up any additional notes. It's really no finish on it. It just starts and goes away. There's really not a whole lot to this one. It's not very complex. Of course, it is a bottom shelfer. I mean, I think it is like $14. It's not gonna blow your socks off, but yeah, I mean it's all right. Let's FloorWhiskey. We also give it a taste on the rocks, so let's try it on that. Maybe it's better on the rocks. Let that sit for a second. In the comments below, put your thoughts on this. You know how we do these tastings where we're doing reviews and we're tasting against on the rocks versus neat. You know, is this aligned with your palate? You know, I mentioned before, don't let people show them your palate. Drink it how you like it. You know, this is a hobby that it's fun to enjoy. It's fun to share bottles. It's fun to have people enjoy it the way they like it. So don't let people shit on your palate. So let's give it a try. Let's smell it here first. It just kind of smells like lemon pledge, to be honest with you. It's really all you're getting on the rocks. Really light. It's kind of, I mean, you're just getting a little, not very little citrus. It's maybe, I think because it's so low proof, 86 proof, you're getting lemon, a lot of lemon. It's coming across lemon on here. This actually might be good with lemonade as a mixer, but you know, not for me. It's not my palate. It's weird I didn't get pick up. You know, I kind of like the nutty profile in some of the Beam products. You get none of that here. Maybe it's only 3 years old. But yeah, I don't know. I think for me, where I'd rate this one, I'd say it's probably beyond the bottom shelf. It's probably down the. That's either a bottom shelf. It might be a FloorWhiskey actually. It's for me. It's not my palate. I don't think it's anything worth chasing. So if you see it, you know you're interested. Hey, it's $15. You can always use it as a mixer. Like I said, it might be good lemonade. That might be a future thing I'll try to see. Otherwise, I'm probably not going to drink it. You know, nobody's going to drink it a whole lot. But thank you for watching. I appreciate your comments below too. What your thoughts are on this bottle. Where do you rate it? You rate it a little higher? Is this something you enjoy? Let me know what kind of notes, maybe what notes you're picking up on this. I'd be interested in hearing it. So stay tuned in the next episode of Floor Whiskey, and thanks for watching today.